How to choose your psychologist? This is a very difficult topic because for now we have a lot of psychologists and market is so full, and sometimes we are really confused how to choose. It's very good that we can have our psychologist and to have all this therapy or consulting, and it helps in our life. And I appreciate, first of all, confidentiality. For example, if it is secret information, it is secret information. And if I talk with my friend, sometimes I think it can go somewhere else to other friends, but with psychologist it's absolutely normal. If it is absolutely secret information, it's confidential. I like it, and I like to solve our problems with consciousness and not just blah blah blah, but to understand and to realize what do we think about this and that, and how I've got all this situation and how I can decide solve my problem. This is important. But how to choose your psychologist? First of all, you have to pay attention on education. It's really important. Of course, we have a lot of courses, different programs, marathons, but it is not a professional education. If you look at other professions, of course, all these people for bank specialists or, I don't know, secretaries or economists, all of them have special education. So in psychology, it's even more responsibility, and we have to have all this professional education and professional qualification. The second is qualification, because we cannot work with all people, with all ages, with all situations. Sometimes it's psychology, sometimes it's psychotherapy, sometimes it's psychological consulting, sometimes it's medical situations. So if it is a normal specialist, they decide what is their professional area and don't go in other sectors. If you see specialist, like I can do whatever I want, I can solve all problems and I can work with all ages, you know, it's not serious question. Normal price. So if you can see specialist with a real experience 2 years, and his price is like 30 years experience, it's not serious, because usually as much experience we have, as higher price we work. It's absolutely normal. And also I would recommend you to visit first consulting, just to feel what do you feel to this person, how comfortable it is to work with this person. Because sometimes we can see good education, good qualification, price is good, everything is good, and many recommendations maybe, but you feel something, it's not the exact person, it's like a love, if you want, because you have to feel it's very private situation. We have to discover our inner world. We have to tell person our secrets. It's very intimate process, and it is really difficult to find your psychologist. Also, I recommend you to work with psychologist who speaks the same language like you, but like native speaker. Why? It is really important. Even if you speak very good your language, but sometimes in a lot of situations we have not only listen, not only understand, not only hear, but also to have an opportunity to catch you on the word. Not only the word, but about the meaning. How did you use this word in this context or in this context? And usually not native speakers cannot realize this very sensitive moment. I would recommend you to pay attention on people who are native speakers with your language. It works much better. And if you have first consulting, if you talk with person in your language, and after you have to realize what do you feel. Is it comfortable for you or not? How do you feel? Maybe everything is okay, but something is not right. Listen your heart, listen your soul. The most important is your very comfortable process of your therapy. So it is really important. Don't promise anything about other consultants after first consulting, because you need time. You need time to understand and to realize do you really need this specialist, or you would like to go somewhere else, and it's your right. And I recommend usually to spend a night to sleep, and after next day or 2 days after take a decision. And also pay attention if a psychologist, sometimes it can happen, offers you something. For example, we have this discount, or if you order this today, we have a discount, we have special offer, and just 2 days. You know, we have so specific profession, and in our profession we have to give the person a lot of space, inner space for decisions, for life, for everything. And in our specific space, people have to feel absolutely comfortable. Nobody pushes them. And if someone, psychologist, tells you like a discount, special offer, it's really not serious, because it is pushing. Even if it is marketing, we have also marketing, but it is very light marketing. We never offer people our consulting in ways like that. It's not serious. So pay attention. Education, qualification, first consulting, your feeling during first consulting. Don't take a decision immediately. You have to think, to feel. You need time to understand. Would you like to work with this specialist or not? And any special offers, only your comfortable feeling. This is the most important.